with another video, and today y'all I'm bringing y'all a hair review from this company called wigsbuy.com. All right, a lot of y'all been asking me, when am I gonna do another hair review? I didn't think that y'all were interested in them. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in hair reviews, because yeah, your girl can really start doing them. Yeah, okay, so the company name is wigsbuy. No, it's called shop.wigsbuy.com. And they sent me this unit. I picked it out and they sent it to me to review. And I'm gonna show y'all what the unit looks like that I picked out. This is what it's supposed to look like. So we're going to go ahead and get into the bag. All right. They send it DHL. All right, so this is the box. I need a thumbnail, y'all. All right, and let's see what's in here. It says the secret of instant beauty. All right, so this is what it looks like when you open it. All right, so the wig comes in this bag. All right, let's see what goodies you get. Oh, okay. It looks like they sent me a bunch of samples of the different colors, oh my gosh, of hair that they have. Y'all, they have all kinds. They have bundles, they have wigs, they have absolutely everything, y'all. Everything on that site. They have so much. It is unreal. Oh no, you clip these into your hair. They're different color little clips, y'all. Oh my God, I've never had these. I got pink, I got lime green, like a turquoise looking color. I got yellow, oh my gosh, red, blue, I got blonde, purple, and this is like a, it's like a darker blonde, and I got a hot pink. Oh my God! Thank y'all so much for sending it to. I didn't even know you were gonna send this. All right, so I got these. I got 4 wig clips, just in case I want to sew it into the wig. They sent 2 of these weaving caps. I got 2 of them. All right, and you get an instruction booklet, which is amazing. I love that. That is so professional. All right, that's what it looks like. Very professional. You also get a comb. I would have rathered a brush, but thank y'all so much for the comb. I appreciate it. All right, and yeah, that's all that came in the box. Let's check out the wig, y'all. Let's see what's going on with this good old wig. All right. Okay, so it has the net on it and paper on the inside. All right. Y'all, I don't know how this gonna look on me, oh my God. I want to try something new, something with color. I might just dye this, y'all. This is just an unboxing of the hair. Yeah, we got some short pieces up here at the top, but you can always just lay those down with like mousse or, you know, something like that. All right, so this is what their part looks like. That definitely needs to be tweezed, or like put some powder in there to show the part, because it, like, you can barely see the part. Anyway, this is the inside of the wig. This is a lace front wig. I love the color of the lace, but the lace needs to be tinted. And if you don't want to do that, if you don't know how to do that, y'all, because I haven't done that on one wig yet, I just put some foundation or some powder like in the front. But when I do style this wig, y'all, I'm gonna adhere it down. I wanna just try it to see if it'll work for me. But it'll be my first time, so y'all please keep that in mind. But yeah, this is what it looks like. They don't have on here the inches of this wig, but I do believe this is like a 18 to 20 inch wig, y'all. It has the dark brown roots and this color here. Let me see. Okay, so this is a 20 inch, like I thought. 20 inch, and it says it's a long ombre, straight human hair lace front wig, is what it is. It didn't give that color, the color, but it's like it's a blonde. It's a blonde, y'all. What y'all think? Do y'all think this is gonna look good on my skin? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait, y'all. I can't wait. So stay tuned for the styling of this wig. I will be back on here to style this wig. And probably the video after that, I'll be washing my hair again. And yeah, doing something with my hair. But yeah, y'all, so the wig is really, really soft. I like the ends. The ends are healthy looking. All right. Yeah, I haven't washed it or anything yet, but I'm going to wash it before I style it. This is the hairline, y'all. The hairline. It's not pre-plucked. It definitely needs some plucking, y'all. Like, look at that. It's really thick. That's really thick, y'all. That's another thing I haven't done. I haven't plucked a hairline at all. So, yeah, y'all. So, it has adjustable straps on each side. No combs. I don't even use combs. I'm probably gonna sew an elastic band in there though for security. And y'all, the shipping, it took a while for this wig to come. I have to be honest about that. It took a while, but it wasn't the company's fault. It was held up at the post office, like, no, not post office, not post office, but the, I guess the DHL center. I'm not real sure, but it was held up. And it was not the company's fault. There's no smell to this at all. A lot of times when your wig comes from like overseas, there'd be like a smell. Honestly, I just heard that from other people. I've never had a smell in any of my wigs, thank God. But yeah, this doesn't have a smell at all. And yeah, I'm loving it so far. I mean, I have to do some maintenance to this wig. I might do it on camera, I don't know, y'all, but I don't want to mess it up. Like, I don't want to tear the lace. You know what I'm saying? Trying to plug it. God, because I'm gonna have to do a lot of plugging. Look how thick that is. It's a nice hairline though, like the shape of it, but honey, it is thick. Anyway, so yeah, y'all, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. Y'all, they have some really good prices on their bundles and their wigs. Y'all might want to check them out. The link will be at the top of the description box. And yeah, y'all, this is it. I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned for that next video. I will be back with it probably within like a couple of days. But yeah, I'll be back with that video. Want to make sure y'all see the inside. All right. Okay. Anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all let me know some things that y'all would like to see on my channel in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I can feel it.